Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera failed in your Samsung and warning. So if you're facing this, immediately restart your device. Once you have restarted your device, head over to your settings. And at the section, you're going to have to search for Google Play System. So type in Google Play System. You will see Google Play System Update under Updates. Now tap on that and select Google Play System Update. It will check for updates if available, and if you see any updation available, go ahead and update it. Now next, what you could try is tap onto it and then simply type in software update. Or you can directly scroll all the way below and in here select software update. If your software has any available updates, go ahead and try it. Once done, restart your device, and after you have restarted your device, try again. It will work. Thank you for watching.